Welcome to this BoldSign tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to use the textbox resize options in BoldSign to create professional, adaptable forms for seamless e-signing. Whether you're collecting brief answers or detailed feedback, BoldSign's resize features ensure your text boxes fit every response perfectly, saving time and enhancing the signer experience. Imagine you're a small business owner sending a client feedback form to gather insights into your services. Some questions need short answers, like a rating, while others require detailed responses, like suggestions for improvement. Using BoldSign's textbox resize options, you can tailor each field to match the expected input, ensuring a clean, user-friendly form that looks great on any device. Let's look at setting up a feedback form with BoldSign's textbox resize options. Log into BoldSign, select Create New, and then Create New Document. On the Prepare Document for Signing page, upload your form by clicking Browse in the Add File section and choosing your file. In the Add Recipient section, enter your client's name and email, review the remaining sections, and select Next. Now, you're on the Configure Fields page. Drag and drop text box fields onto the form for each question. For each text box, customize the resize option to suit the response. For a rating question like, rate our service from 1 to 10, select Fixed Size to keep the field compact and tidy. For an email address, choose Grow Horizontally to expand sideways for longer inputs. For open-ended feedback, as in asking, what can we improve, select Grow Vertically to expand downward, ensuring all text is visible. For detailed comments, use Grow both vertically and horizontally for maximum flexibility. For a balanced appearance, try Auto Resize Font to adjust text size dynamically without changing the field's dimensions. After placing and configuring all text boxes, add a signature field, review the form, and click Send. Your form is now ready for your client to sign. Now, let's take a look at the signer's side. When a user receives an email with a Review and Sign button, they can select it. The document opens in BoldSign's clean interface. After selecting Start Signing, the first required field lights up to guide the user through the form. For the rating question, I type 9 out of 10 into a fixed size text box, which stays neat and compact. For the email field, I enter my address, and the Grow Horizontally text box stretches sideways to fit the text. For the feedback question, I write fast replies and app stability. The Grow Vertically text box expands downward, keeping my full response visible without scrolling. For open-ended comments, I type a detailed suggestion. The Grow Both Horizontally and Vertically text box adjusts in both directions, making my input look natural. For the last question, I type Very likely, and the Auto Resize Font text box adjusts automatically to fit the input without changing the box dimensions. Required fields are clearly marked, so signers won't miss anything. After completing all fields, I add my signature, select Finish, and get a confirmation that the form is signed. BoldSign's textbox resize options make it simple to create flexible, professional forms that adapt to any response length. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more BoldSign tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.